Hey guys, welcome to Fxchronicles. This is Azam, and today I'm going to go over something that I'm really excited about. Our newest product, which is the Fxchronicles Auto Trading Signals Service. Before we get started, I would like to go over the legal disclaimer. Pretty much the information that is provided, Fxchronicles is not held liable for any losses, and that in Forex, you can lose a significant amount of your money due to the high leverage of the business. Okay, so moving on. I have been blessed with the opportunity of running Fxchronicles for just about a year now. It's been exciting, it's been humbling, it's been a struggle at times as well to just keep up with it when you're going through a tough bad patch as a trader, but I wouldn't change a thing about it. With Fxchronicles, I've been able to provide the Fxchronicles course, which has been a great tool to a lot of students that they love the simplicity and the ease of use of how trading is done and how opportunities can be created for potential profits. We then have our trademark Fxchronicles signals, which have grown to be wonderful. From what I hear from people over and over again is just that they love the service, but more than that, it's just the group, all the traders that are there sharing ideas. And the same thing goes for our course as well. Anyone who is new to Forex, they can learn not just from my course, but from sharing ideas with other individuals, and it's just a blessing to be part of something like that, to be at the core of it. But there has always been issues. There's always room for improvement in this business, in this industry. And I have always worked on being more transparent. Sure, I can show my returns, my results of making 150 pips, 200 pips, 75 pips, or even like losses of 150 pips loss on a trade or whatnot. I can show those numbers. But what happens is that there wasn't enough transparency. So recently I opened up a My FX Book account where my performance is being projected every day, that anyone can see what I'm losing, what I'm gaining, and all the good stuff that comes with it. But along with adding transparency, I really have this passion of wanting to help people out, to really create the ultimate model for Forex where people can trust, because of just the muddiness in this business and the scammers that you will find. I try to steer away from that. I try to be as transparent as possible and provide the best value for your investment, whether it's through the course, through the signal alerts, or just whatever. So today I'm really excited that last week we launched our newest product, which is the Fxchronicles Automated Trading Signals. Now, what is that? What is automated trading signals? Basically, it is signals that are automatically copied to your Forex trading account from my account. So pretty much you get me, Azam Zarif, as your trader for your account from anywhere in the world. How are we able to do this? Well, we have connected with a website called mql5.com, and we have registered with them, and with them we've gotten a server. With that server, you're able to link your accounts for Forex, and whenever I take a trade, the trade is automatically copied onto your account with the same entry, target profit, and stop loss, and percent of risk regardless of account size. What does that piece mean? It pretty much means, let's just say I have a $1,000 account and I decide to risk 10% of my account on one trade, which is $100 of risk. Now you have a $100 account, or let's just say $500 account, since that is the minimum requirement. On your $500 account, the automated trading is not going to risk $100, but instead it's going to risk $50, which is 10% of your profits or of your account value. And similarly, if you have a $10,000 account, your account will not be risking $100. It will be risking $1,000, which is still 10% of your account. And yes, I believe you can manage those sizes, and though you can tweak that number through MQL5, and we're going to go further into that. So what's great about this? Obviously, you can already see the value in it, that first of all, you're getting me to trade for you, and you don't have to put any work. With our Fxchronicles trading signals, it's a great source for people. I think more than the signals, it's just every other individual who's helping each other in that group, which just humbles me, and I get to learn so much more from these individuals from all over the world, and they're so excited about trading and the opportunities that are being created. But what happens is, and it's happened literally every day, that we might take a trade, and before we know, it's up 150 pips, 200 pips within one session, whether it's the New York session, the Hong Kong Aussie session, or the Euro session. And then people wake up and they're like, oh man, I missed the trade because I was asleep. And that happens. It's frustrating for a lot of people that they're missing out on good opportunities. And then there's a lot of times that I take a trade, I see an opportunity at like 8 a.m. in the morning, and I'm like, oh, this is just gonna have a breakout or whatever, and we can make money off of that. And I put in a buy signal, and right away the trade is up 25 pips, 30 pips within a minute. So even before I could send the trade alert, it was highly profitable as a position. And that's frustrating for me as well, that I could not send that alert out to other to our group. And so I wanted to tackle that. I wanted to clear a lot of things. I wanted to make Forex easy, affordable, and profitable for everyone. Just last week, one of my students who is also running daily Forex on Instagram contacted me and told me that maybe we should look into automated trading as something that will be helpful. Now, with automated trading, I was a little cautious about it just because I personally didn't have much experience in this. But looking into it, working on it, and testing it out, we were able to see that, hey, this is actually really good, the way it's working, the way things are, and if we feel like that this could be a great opportunity for everyone around the world to benefit from. So coming back to automated trading, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I do the trades on my end, and you guys, and hopefully we all of us reap the benefits from these positions that I'm taking. How do you join Fxchronicles auto trading? First and foremost, you need to open a real, not a demo MetaTrader account through your broker and deposit a minimum of $500. The reason why I ask for this is because I am actually trading with my real money. The account that we're using has $1,000 in it, and it's real. So for it to work, you need to have a real account of $500 minimum. And the brokers that I recommend are fxcm.com or Oanda. And these brokers I'm mainly recommending for individuals that are based out of USA or UK and Europe. Other places, you will have to look at brokers that are more readily available and have a good system of withdrawing cash when you want to withdraw your money from that account, that you're able to get that money back. So look into that. I personally recommend these two. The next thing you will need to do is open up a free account with mql.com and fund the account with either a credit card or your PayPal. So this is great that anyone can perhaps do this. You don't just have to worry about PayPal, just like I have in my system. If anyone wants to join Fxchronicles, the course, or our trading signals, you have to join through PayPal, but not through MQL5. And I have put the link here. I will put the link as well on the YouTube page, just so people can register. Then the third thing you will need to do once you have created a registration and you have submitted a payment system with MQL5, you will need to go on this link and check out Fxchronicles subscription, and you will subscribe to Copy Our Trades for $25 subscription fee, and voila, you are all set. So after you're set, this is what you will need to do. You will have your MT4 account, I'm hoping, funded and ready to go. Once you go, you have to have that connected to the trade copier, which MQL5 helps you with. On top of that, there's a couple of technical things that I highly recommend anyone doing it. I recommend purchasing VPS from MQL5. It is for an additional $10 a month, but it helps with copying alerts even when your PC is off or you're logged out of MT4. Now, what does that mean? This is a mouthful, seriously. MT4 is the broker that you will be using that will have your amount deposit to, and whenever you subscribe to our copy alerts or our trade alerts, trade copier, whenever I send a trade, it will automatically copy to your account. But if you're logged out of MT4 or your PC is off, that won't work. So for that to work, you will need to have a VPS, which is a virtual private server. What this does is, it doesn't matter where in the world you are, if you have a computer, if you have an access to a computer or a PC, or if you're logged onto your MT4 account or not, it doesn't matter, because when I take the trade alert, it will automatically take the trade alert on your account. So it helps you with any kind of issues that you may run into with power lines in your town, or just not having internet access, because it doesn't matter. None of that matters, because the servers are connected, are linked, and so they're working around the clock to make sure that you have access, that whenever I take a trade, it is copied to your broker. So it's highly recommended. It's going to be for an additional $10 a month, but it helps with copying alerts even when your PC is off. So let's get into the tutorial piece of how to do this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I will go to, let's just say I will go to fxcm.com, okay? And if you're new to FXCM, you can go to open an account. You can click there, and you can choose your country, and they will ask for choose your preferred platform. I would say MetaTrader 4, and choose your service level. I usually recommend standard. Unless you have more than $25,000, then you can go with active trader, but standard is usually recommended. And then you can begin the application. Once you're done, you come down to the main page and go to download, and you can download the MetaTrader 4 onto your desktop. The other website that I recommended was Oanda. Same thing. You can open a trading account, choose MetaTrader, and then you go to trade Oanda on MT4 MetaTrader, and if you come all the way down, your platform MetaTrader 4. So since I am using MetaTrader 4 on Oanda, this is, I had it already downloaded, and this is what happens. You download it, and voila, it opens up. This is my live account. Before we move on, the other thing that I recommended was MQL5, and this is the link to register for MQL5. Anyone can do it. Let me just log out of my account real quick. So if you go to mql5.com, just go to registration, boom, you can just get an account, choose a login, email, and boom, you can do this. Pretty simple stuff. The other thing is, once you're done with that, you can go to there are signals, and you can go to search, can put in Fxchronicles, and you will come to my page. You will go to Fxchronicles, and here you can go to copy trades, which is $25 a month. As you can see, this is a very new account that we have created. There's literally $1,000, which is my account amount in my account. It's been up only 3 days, and so you can then copy trades. Okay, now that part is done. You registered with MQL5, you even decided to join, and you've already got a funded MT4 account. Now we come to the technical aspects of how to deal with an MT4. So once you log into your MT4, the first thing that you will need to do is that I highly recommended was to get the virtual private server. Okay, to do that, you come to the navigator and you come under accounts, and you come under your account name and go to register a virtual server. Okay, now once you do that, this thing pops up. You go next, next, and you choose the server based on your account name and number. That for me, I'm based out of USA, so the closest one is New York, which has the latency level of 2.13. So that means the trades get executed really, really fast, if anything, rather than waiting for hours and whatnot. And the price is $10 for that. Then you go to next and you agree. Initially, you have a free evaluation period that these guys provide, which is for 24 hours. And then you can see that, oh, cool, I can get a 1 month complimentary from broker. That's pretty awesome. But you can see that these are their rates. $10 that they can charge me from my trading account, or $10 that they can take out from my MQL5 account, for which I did ask you guys to open up a credit card or a PayPal based account. Or for 3 months it's $28, or 54 months, which is for 6 months, which is $9 a month. Or you can save 20 bucks by buying a whole year's worth of trade alerts. And then you just go and it just, you know, select and you're good to go. Okay, that's done. The other aspect, which is really, really important, is that you come to tools once you're done with selecting a virtual private server, because as you can see, it tells me right here that I have the virtual hosting and for account and You come to expert advisors under tool and options, and you check allow automated trading, allow DLL imports, allow web requests for listed, and you disable these three and you click OK. And then you come to notifications. Now people want to know that when I'm taking a trade, they want to receive notifications on their phone. So you click the enable push notifications and you press test. And once you do this, you should receive within a few minutes a SMS message on your phone from your MT4 account. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do, and you are good to go then. With the VPS is secured, and you've got your account brokerage opened with Oanda, FXCM, or which other broker you go with, and you have the MQL5 account registered, and hopefully you have selected our trades. That's all that really is. And once you are done with all those steps, I will be adding you to our WhatsApp group. In fact, you can just message me, tell me, hey Azam, I paid online for the subscription. I'll check it and I will add you to our WhatsApp group, where you will be part of it for as long as you subscribe. And then you just have to sit back and hopefully see your account grow. So that's all that there is to this. Okay, what's next? So what do you get with this amazing service? First of all, my exact trades. No more of just guessing, hey, how much is the return that Azam is getting? Is he even making any progress on his trades? Nothing like that. You don't have to look at my Instagram page for that. You will get the same trades, the same stops, the same profit levels, When I get in, you get in. When I decide to get out, you will be getting out. Of course, addition into the amazing Hall of Fame group of Fxchronicles automated trading. So, I can't say enough about it. The reason I call it the Hall of Fame is literally because of just the brilliant traders that are part of it and that have pushed me to become a better trader and to learn more about this business day in and day out. $25 a month subscription for life if you sign up by April 30th, 2015. Today it is April 12th. Yes. So you have about 18 days. After that, the price will be increased to $50 per month. So just watch out for that. So your total cost, what will it be? Besides funding an account with $500 to $1,000, if you sign up before April 30th, you will pay at most $35 a month, which includes $25 for subscription and $10 for the VPS rental via MQL5. And after April 30th, it will be $60 per month. That's all there is to this. Pretty straightforward, simple task, nothing too complicated. So, what are you guys waiting for? I've told you everything, how to get started. You know, get started now, seriously, and join the revolution in Forex. I know that's cheesy, but who cares? Fxchronicles.com. My contact information is right here. WhatsApp, email, Instagrams, Twitter, Facebook, even Pinterest. Yeah, hit me up. And Skype. I'm usually not that active on Skype just because I'm not. But if you will send me a message, I will watch it daily. But the best way to approach me is really through WhatsApp. And my students know that I'm pretty responsive on that. So seriously, guys, I'm so excited about this amazing opportunity and amazing product that we have just launched that I think it can really change a lot of lives. We really believe, you know, we can have a positive impact on the lives of others, and that over time, this will be totally worth it with everything that we intend to do in this business and we intend to do for you guys. Once again, I do highly recommend starting with $1,000 account because that is close to how much my account is, which is $1,000 account that I'm trading with. So the progress will hopefully be around the same. And you control everything at the end of the day. You can change, tweak your system the way you want it to be. And I just really hope that I can be part of this opportunity where I can help you guys make some significant gains like I've been able to do over time. And this is not an overnight thing that you will make a ton of money overnight. It's sticking through this over time and then hopefully just letting the account grow. And I really believe that in a few years, like if we just stick through this and things keep on getting better with the servers, the services, we can do amazing things together. Here's a great opportunity for all of us to be part of. So I suggest you guys get started. Once again, this is Azam with Fxchronicles. Thank you so much for everything. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care and have a great day. Happy trading, guys. Bye.